Hello everyone, I am Vedas. I am from SP Global Solutions and my trainer name is Dinesh sir. Today my topic is pop-up boxes. Pop-up box is nothing but gathering some information from the user, and these are classified into three types. First one is alert box, second one is confirm box, and last one is prompt box. These are the three types of pop-up boxes. And first one is alert box. Alert box is nothing but it is giving some information, it is giving some warning to the user. It contains only OK button only. And coming to the syntax, alert some message. And next one is confirm box. Confirm box is nothing but it is also same thing. It is confirming the messages from the user, and it contains only OK and cancel button. Coming to the syntax, confirm message. It has only OK and cancel button. Whether it is depends on the user based. And the coming to the last one is prompt box. Prompt box is nothing but defined as here gathering information from the user is nothing but as prompt box. Syntax, prompt message. Thank you.